Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome or welcome back. I hope you all are feeling amazing. So in today's video, I'll be updating you on some home decor and doing a couch reveal. Y'all, it finally came and I'm so excited to share it with you. I also will be sharing with you some of my updated new dinnerware from Fable. Y'all, your girl just been updating and upgrading all around. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. In the meantime, in between time, I'm just going to be freshening up my living room just in preparation for the couch, just to make sure everything is nicely clean and ready for my delivery. I was doing like some decluttering on my console table. I felt like I had just a little bit too much things inside of my cabinets. Even though I do have like enough space and storage space for it, I felt like I just had too much stuff in here. In my mind, I thought that this tree would look really good in this corner right here, and it actually does, but when the couch did come, I felt like it looked better back on the wall that I had it on originally. So you'll see how I did just change it back over to its original place later on in the video. Before vacuuming, I always sprinkle like a baking soda or a carpet freshener down on my carpet, and I'll just let it sit for a little bit before vacuuming just to keep everything smelling fresh. If you've been with me for some time, you know that I've been on a journey of doing some major and some minor updates in my home. We've been in our home for 5 years, and I feel like at that 5-year mark, it's time to just do a little bit of upgrading and changes where necessary. In my opinion, it feels good to have a nice quality but minimal and timeless dinner set, and Fable offers just that. Their ceramics are all handcrafted using recycled clay. They design everything with sustainability in mind, perfect for everyday use or a special occasion. On each box, they have cute conversation starters, great for hosting a friend's gathering and having topics, everyone sitting around, having some good food and some really nice conversation. My set is in the color speckled white, but they do have other color choices to fit any personal aesthetics. So my set came with 4 of each. So I am so obsessed with the pasta bowl. Like, as soon as I opened the box and saw the pasta bowl, like, it inspired me to make some pasta. Like, I love the pasta bowls. These are the little bowls. I did get these in the color Dove Gray, and they have the little bowls, which are so cute. I have the dinner plate, the salad plate, a dessert plate, and little bowls, the little plates, the mugs. I love the mugs. Like, I love drinking out of the mugs, and I love drinking out of the coffee mugs. They are just so nice. So obsessed with the look and feel of this dinnerware set. So they are lightweight, but they feel so durable. I after properly washing and drying, I'm just going to neatly place all of my dinnerware together in my cabinet. So Fable's dinnerware is dishwasher and microwavable safe. They are a semi-matte ceramic, which can be susceptible to marks but can be easily removed. Fable does offer a durable biodegradable Tawashi brush, which is perfect for cleaning your dinnerware, and it's also great to scrub vegetables like carrots and potatoes. So best friends, if you're looking to update your dinnerware with Fable's handcrafted beautiful dinnerware set, I'll leave a link below in the description box along with an extra discount code to use at checkout. Now moving on to my couch. It was delivered on the 17th of May, which I was pretty okay with because it had an expected delivery date of June. And I did purchase it from my local Allen. It's a 95-inch, and the name of the sofa is the Arcata sofa, and it's in the color Millie Cloud, aka like white. I love the fabric of it though. I did get a fabric that would be easy to clean. Even though it is white, it is easy to clean, and just for an everyday comfort, definitely have that extended protection warranty on it, because I know with having, pets and a small child, stains and accidents will happen, and I understand that with having white, but your girl just had to get like this white couch. Like, I absolutely am in love with it. So I was trying to decide on what color pillows would really set this couch off. So in my home, I'm decorating more with like whites, blacks, and gold. And I had these pillows in my storage. I think I was asked this question before, like, what do I do with like decor pieces that I'm not using anymore? I will usually store like a lot of them in like a closet inside of my garage. And then items that I know I'm not just going to use anymore, I'll just kind of like donate it or like sell it on Facebook Marketplace. I'm going to try out these two pillows. I have the black pillow, which I have for a while, and I love this black. I did an Instagram reel to take a poll on like what color did everyone feel like would go really nice, and a lot of you said black. I love the black. It really speaks elegance, and it's just really timeless, and it's just beautiful. But this brown, I felt like this brown just hit different. It was so nice and earthy, and I kind of stuck with the brown. Guys, let me know which color you think. Do you think the black looks really nice or the brown? Leave a black heart if you think the black, or leave a brown heart if you are going with your girl on the brown. So after the couch was delivered, I went to Target for just some regular household items, picked up everything but what I actually came into Target to purchase. But I did stop past the home decor section, and I found this little gold side table, and I thought it was really nice. I thought it would look really nice against the white, so I decided to just bring it home and just kind of decorate it with a few coffee table books and a nice crystal. Now that the couch is here, I feel like I can kind of just start getting the other small pieces. The next piece I want to focus on is a coffee table. I've been seeing so many different coffee tables. I just can't decide on which one I actually want right now. So I will just kind of be going back and forth trying to make my mind up on that. I do want to get some artwork to go behind the couch. Again, just to kind of pull out that white and just make it look not as bright, in my opinion. And then just some other little knickknacks. Definitely want to get like accent chair and I guess some other decor pieces. Not too much, but something that'll kind of just really make the living room really comfortable and inviting. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed watching. I hope that you have found some inspiration to decorate your home as you may see fit. Definitely check out Fable's home on the dinnerware. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below on letting me know like which pillow you think looks really nice, the black or the brown. And if you aren't already, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. I would love to have you join my extremely modest YouTube family. I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye.